Let's analyze the third site. I'm going to scroll into the table, select 3.1. This is a very interesting recording. I'm going to maximize the window. This is my trigger level as indicated by the green bar. And notice that we have two different motor unit activities that are crossing the trigger level. The white trace has an action potential pair. That's what we want to analyze. But we have interference from a larger potential. So adjusting the trigger level would not help us. So in this case, we have mixed discharges from two different motor units. The white signal is the action potential pair. The blue waveforms, they have only one action potential. They don't cross the second window. So in a sense, this looks more like a blocking phenomenon. Let's see how the system handles it. I'm going to go to the graph of interpotential values. Notice that I have a very nice distribution, indicating once again that the jitter is normal. And indeed, the jitter in this recording was 9 microseconds. With a jitter being so normal, blocking is not likely. If we get blocking, it's most likely a technical problem, and therefore the system has automatically thrown out all the traces that crossed only one window. Those are the blue traces that you can see over here. They cross only one window, but did not cross the second window. So this is one way the system will automatically get rid of missed triggers when the jitter is normal. Let's look at the result table. Notice that there are no blockings reported in the blocks column. That helps us editing quite a bit. We don't have to go trace by trace to get rid of traces. Nevertheless, we still have one sweep over here which clearly does not belong in this recording. In past, we used to go into a trace by trace review to get rid of those traces. Fortunately, that process is very simplified. Borrowing the concept from the paint program, if you want to delete something, simply draw a rectangle like this, hold the mouse down, click with the left mouse, hold it down and drag it to make a rectangle. And any potential that crosses this rectangle will be removed. As soon as I let the mouse go, notice that potential is removed. Here is another potential. If I want to remove this, draw the magic rectangle and we have gotten rid of it. So this is indeed a very powerful way of editing traces. The machine will automatically take care of missed triggers when the jitter is normal, and you can use the so-called magic rectangle to get rid of interfering traces. Now there are some interfering potentials over here. I will not get rid of them because they are not interfering with my interpotential interval analysis. So I remove only those traces that are superimposing directly on the waveforms that I am analyzing.